Remember when this was a career? She routed your calls. He spooled your movies. That kid, he dodged flying pins for a living. All proud careers until tech said, "Thanks, we've got it from here." Work never stops evolving, and neither can we. Fast forward, 2035. Meet tomorrow's job posts: AI ethicist, digital twin architect, neuro-augmentation therapist, climate adaptation analyst, metaverse experience designer, and the skills every job of tomorrow will post under requirements: curiosity, adaptability, critical thinking, ethics.
Work is changing. Are you?